All right, so I'm here with another layout on Basil white cardstock, and I am going to add some white gesso once I can get the cap off, and then use those watercolors you see off to the left. And the pictures that I am scrapbooking, Alex was in Chicago, and then he came here on April 18th-ish. Yeah, April 18th. And then few days before we were together about a month and a half, and he wanted to take, because he didn't think he was going to get to be with Mateo on his birthday, because of course him and the mom is not together. That's a whole nother saga. Anyway, so he decided, she said that Alex could take him to Monkey Joe's one night, so so he asked if I would go with, and so I did. And then we went for pizza at Cece's Pizza, their buffet there, and then we went to Monkey Joe's, where it's like indoor bounce houses for kids. Really cool. It's there in Orlando. It's about a 2-hour drive. And so we went there. And these pictures, I had gotten a selfie stick and it wasn't working. It has a button on it, so you're supposed to hold it up and then push the button on the stick itself, and it doesn't take pictures with my camera. I had to use the timer on it. And then he said, hey, I'm sure there's an app that will work with that. So we were playing around with the selfie stick, and that's how this photo come to be. There's a picture of him by himself and then a picture of us together. So I'm going to do watercolors in the packaging technique. I'm going to use different colors that are going to be in my pattern, in my papers. The purple and the pinks. I'm going to add a little bit more of a pink color because it's more of a purple and a purplish pink. So I felt like I needed to add a pink as well. And that will do it. So I'm going to back the pictures on this purple So the photo mats are Pink Paisley Horizon number 16. I apologize for panting. I'm going to use that purple floral that you see. So the heart strip is crepe paper La La Love. The purple slit slip is reverse side of the floral layer Chamel Sparkle City. And then the floral strip is Chamel, Chamel Sparkle City Fresh Flowers. Alright, so I'm just trying to figure out how to position. I'm trying to figure out if I want to use these circles cut from this paper from a past kit or not. Those work really good cut out, and I didn't care for the paper on the other side. Whatever was on the other side. So I use these a lot. So now it's just a matter of putting down my layers. All right. So I'm going to get to my die cuts, and those pinwheels I use a lot. So my chipboard flower stickers are going to be from American Crafts Horizon Thickers. And then any of the die cuts that I use, those are going to be Pink Paisley's Horizon. And then any other stickers that I use are going to be, besides like those gold stickers, are American Crafts Recollection stickers from past kits. Our story is Hip Kit Club's exclusive product, This Beautiful Life. Love is American Crafts Summertime Thickers. I'm just trying to figure out where to put it. Happy is going to be the Thickers, American Crafts it's going to be the American Crafts Horizon Thickers. And so once I have these stickers down, that is going to complete my layout. So when I have more done, I will be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.